Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Facebook Messenger PIN code. Now, if you have Facebook Messenger, but you don't know your old PIN, or you just wanted to reset it to something new, I'll walk you through the entire process. Now, I'm on an iPhone. I'm going to open up the Facebook Messenger app. You can do the same steps if you're on Android or a computer. In Facebook Messenger, let's get to your settings. Tap on Menu at the bottom right. Keep in mind, on your device, it might be in a different location. Tap on Settings at the top. Scroll down. Tap on Privacy and Safety. Scroll down. Tap on End-to-End Encrypted Chats. Tap on Message Storage. Manage how storage and access of your chat history. Scroll down. You can see Reset PIN. Tap on Reset PIN. It says create your own PIN. Make it memorable. You'll need it when you switch to a new device. If I tap on, say, just a bunch of ones, it says confirm your PIN. I'll need to enter it in again here, and then hit submit at the top right. Just like this, you have reset that PIN. If this doesn't work for you and it doesn't allow you to reset it, and you don't know your old one, keep in mind you might need to get a verification code sent to you through email or a potentially text message code. And this also potentially doesn't work if you have a new phone that you have just logged into Messenger on. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out this one over to my right. I think you'll really like it. Thanks, guys.